This is how to factory reset the Google Pixel 6, and we're going to start by holding the power button and volume down at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go, and then we're going to let go as soon as this menu pops up. Now we're going to use the volume keys, but look up here for recovery menu. Restart bootloader, recovery mode. Then we're going to push power for OK. And it's going to bring up the fallen Android. And here we're going to hold power and touch volume up. Power, touch volume up, and it brings up the Android recovery menu. Now we're going to use volume keys to scroll to wipe data factory reset. And we're going to hit power for OK. And confirm factory data reset, and then power for OK. Then we come down here and confirm the data wipe is complete. And now we can reboot the system. And that is how you factory reset a Google Pixel 6. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.